Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you the best and most updated Amazon deals that I've found. These deals are updated constantly, so make sure to check back often. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Earwax Removal Tools Kit, 6-in-1 Ear Spoon Curette. Earpick 6-in-1 is great gift for mom, sister, and your friends in special days. All ear cleaners are made from durable rust-resistant stainless steel. Anti-slip handle special spring design give you a better control of the pressure to avoid damage and get a secure grip during use. Original price, $19.99, now discounted 79% to $4.0. Number 2. National Tree Company Pre-Lit Artificial Christmas Tree. National Tree Company's pre-lit artificial Christmas tree is 4 feet tall and has a 24-inch diameter base. Features hundreds of individually crafted branch tips that make up the wide, full-bodied branches that create space for your lights and ornaments. The tree is designed with a hinged branch system that allows the branches to swing down for a quick and simple setup. Original price, $45.0, now discounted 60% to $18.0. Number 3. BBE LED Backlit Bathroom Mirror, 36 by 28 inch, Defogger Dimmable Touch Switch. LED lifetime, 50,000 hours, copper-free environmentally friendly materials are used with silvered reflection layer. IP68 waterproof rating ensures safe lighting in wet bathroom environments. Turn on and off the anti-fog according to your needs, safe and energy saving. One long touch, 3S, to the button to adjust the brightness, once quick touch, 10s, when touch button to turn off the light and restart the light. Original price, $179.99, now discounted 50% to $89.99. Number 4. Deli Magazine File Holder with Extra Storage Case. Detachable design, easy to assemble and steady structure. Multifunction pen holder will easy to organize pens, pencils, rules, marker, clips, scissors, sticky notes. 3 compartments desktop file book magazine sorter holder organizer is made of premium PP material to ensure durability and years of use. Original price, $15.99, now discounted 50% to $7.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 5. Milk Frother Handheld Battery-Operated Electric Foam Maker with Stainless Steel Stand, Drink Mixer for Coffee, Latte, Cappuccino. Own the high-carsta Milk Frother, you can enjoy the coffee house quality drinks at home every day. It also suitable for making hot and cold chocolate, milkshakes, matcha tea, mixed drinks, and even for whisking egg whites. Only 2 AA batteries are necessary to power the foamer, can probably last for 1,000 cups milk stirring. Original price, $11.99, now discounted 45% to $6.59. Number 6. Christmas train set around the tree for boys, girls with light and sound. Hangfee train set includes 4 pieces of straight tracks and 6 pieces of curved tracks for kids to assemble different shapes of tracks. Only 2 AA batteries are required to run the train, and parents and children can play alone together. Simulation sound and light on the locomotive enhance the atmosphere for playing. Original price, $22.99, now discounted 59% to $9.2. Number 7. BAGSMART Hanging Jewelry Organizer. Jewelry hanger comes with 3 rows of wave-shaped sturdy metal hooks, can hold up to 42 necklaces. Transparent PVC grids make you find items easily at a glance without having to dig around. Size 14.25 foot x 33.25, 0.55 pounds. Original price, $19.99, now discounted 40% to $11.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 8. chooone Travel Makeup Mirror. 52 LED lighted vanity mirrors with 3-color, compact, slim, rechargeable tabletop cosmetic mirror. Rechargeable makeup mirror has a built-in 2000 mAh battery, which can provide up to 4 hours of bright light when fully charged. Lighted vanity mirror with lights can be freely adjusted and fixed, which gives you a best and comfortable viewing angle. 3 kinds of lights to choose from: white light, warm light, and natural light. Original price, $29.99, now discounted 50% to $14.99. Number 9. FEIJIAN Kids Insulated Water Bottle with Straw Lid. 12-ounce thermos kids water bottle, 2x straw lids, 2x straws, straw brush, cup brush. 12-ounce capacity is big enough for the daily need of a kid and slim enough for cup holders. Total water bottle can cool drinks for 24 hours and warm to 12 hours. Original price, $19.99, now discounted 50% to $9.9. Number 10. Otdair Grow Lights for Indoor Plants. This grow light uses full-spectrum LED chips with emission wavelengths from 190 nanometers to 790 nanometers. It has 10 brightness settings ranging from 10% to 100%, so you can adjust the reasonable brightness according to the growth of your plants. The ability to be inserted into soil or pots allows this plant light to be used in a variety of types of locations, such as desks, living rooms, and dark corners of the home. Original price, $19.99, now discounted 60% to $7.9. Number 11. Home Decor Ideas Mid-Century Modern Bedside End Table with Storage Drawer. Mid-century modern nightstand is ideal for small spaces in need of storage. The unique click assembly method helps achieve perfect and aligned angles, ensuring the table's stability. The combination of walnut effect wood, dark gray drawer, and metal legs offers a contemporary look with a charming accent. Original price, $50.0, now discounted 50% to $25.0. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 12. Bitvae Water Flosser Professional for Teeth. Cordless design makes it convenient to use both at home and on the go. 300 milliliters, 10 ounces, water reservoir is enough for a 60-second full mouth clean. Battery life can last up to 40 days in the lowest pressure mode. Water pressure frequency design removes up to 99.9% of food debris and dental plaque. Original price, $60.0, now discounted 58% to $25.0. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. That's all for today. Notice that most of the coupon code of the deals can be expired very soon, so be sure to subscribe to catch up-to-date offers. If you're looking for something specific, just let me know in the comments below and we'll keep an eye out for it. See you next time.